Google Keep is one of the most powerful Google tools in my estimation. It's pretty underutilized as I see it. To get started, let's make a new note. And to make a new note quickly, you type in note.new, and that brings you right into a note. And in the notes, you can add a title, and then down here you can write your note. Once you're done, you can close it. You can also add images to your notes, and you can add drawings. So here you can click on the pen, make a quick drawing if it works. It goes in automatically. To delete an image from a note, you just hover over it and click delete. And to close the note, you push close. Also, you can set up reminders on Google Keep, so you can be reminded by time or place. It automatically sets the times for you, so later today, tomorrow, or next week. Or you can pick the date and time, and you can set it exactly how you want it. You can also pick the place if your locations are on, which mine are not. You can share notes, so you can type in the person to share with. That will share it with them. You can add colors to your notes. If you're doing a research paper, you can color all the notes about that topic the same. So for example, if I'm doing a research paper about Date Masamune, I could color each note I make a certain color, and then when I go to search, I can come down here and search by color, and it will show me all the yellow notes, for example. You can also add a label, so like a hashtag, and you can search by hashtag as well. The labels that you create will be right on the left side, and that's another way to filter. Just click on the label and it filters it for you. If you happen to delete a note by accident, you can click on the trash, and your notes will be in here for 7 days. If you do create a note, another good thing about Google Keep is that they are easy to integrate into Google Docs. So you click on the Keep icon on the right side, and you can just drag in the note that you want. When you do drag it into Google Docs, it will also bring in the title and any labels. So that might be something that you want to edit in the note itself. If you type an asterisk and then press the space, it becomes a bullet point. And then when I write my note, then when you push enter, it becomes another bullet point. You can also make and show checkboxes by clicking the three dots and showing checkboxes. And then that makes everything a checkbox. Okay, I hope you try Google Keep and let me know how it works out for you.